Hey Queens, today I'm going to show y'all how to achieve this look. This is the passion twist with the curls. And this was my first time actually doing this style, but y'all see how good it turned out. If you're one of them people who feel like, no, I need someone else to do it, I can't do it, I think you should at least try the passion twist because it's really easy. I'm gonna show y'all all the steps. But yeah, like I was that type of person. I didn't let myself do my braids, my twist, or anything. But now I'm reconsidering because, you know, I saved money and, you know, it's cute. Something new, something quick, and yeah, so I do encourage you guys to watch it and try it and let me know how it turned out. So thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. I might be doing braids next, but I don't know. But I say the hardest part about this style is the parting. So if you can get someone to part your hair for you, then okay, yeah, you in there. But with me, I really had to just make sure that the outsides of my hair was parted, and then on the insides, it probably do look crazy, but I'll show you guys. It don't look that bad though, but they're not even, but I don't think it matters because you can't really tell. You can't. But yeah, so this is big though. I mean, you can do it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. But yeah, this is day 6 for me, and everything's been going good. I have been seeing people say that these tangle up really bad. I'll let you know exactly how I keep mine from tangling. Yeah, it's been doing good because this is the synthetic one, and I'll show you guys the brand I use. So yeah, let me know what you think about the video. Yeah, let's get into the video. This is my hair before I washed and detangled it. I'm using the Jenna Collection Passion Twist, the yellow shine gel, a crochet needle, and a rat tail comb. I'm going to start with unbraiding the top half of my hair. This is when I part my hair to make the braids. When braiding, it's best to apply the shine gel as you braid. Braid to about halfway of the hair. This is the 24-inch passion twist, so this is how it looks. And here's the back. I did end up putting one more plait in the middle, so it didn't look like half and half. Now I like to keep my passion twist on the board while untwisting. It just makes it easier. But you're going to untwist it all the way down, like so. Once you have removed the passion twist, you're going to stick your crochet needle through, put the passion twist on it, close it up, and pull it through. I like to apply more shine gel just to make sure that everything looks nice and neat. Since it is so long, I bite it down so it makes it easier for me to twist all the way to the end. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Once all the passion twists are in, now it's time to apply the water braid. You can either take the whole section or split it down like I did. But when you do split it out, it does bring more volume to the hairpiece. So I used Eco to slim it back down. Now with the water wave hair, you're going to apply it the same way, but when you're pulling it through, keep the loop because you want to put the other hair in between the loop, and that's how you're going to secure it. If you want a more secure hold, use holding spray to hold it in place, but I did not do that here. This is me applying the Eco again, because I'm telling you guys, this is how you keep the curls to last long. Use Eco. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all do want to see on my channel. I'm going to be posting every week, and I do need content. Let me know what you liked about the video, what you didn't like.